FlipGuardian ebook publishing solutions demonstration. Ebooks have been around for almost as long as email, and they're a primary element of online marketing. But their functionality hasn't really changed much in the last decade or so, until now. FlipGuardian turns your boring old PDFs into interactive, engaging leads and sales machines in a way that you've never seen before. Let's take a quick look at a couple of examples to see exactly what I mean. First up is ungated access. And for this example, we're going to look at a restaurant menu. But as you can imagine, this could be anything. It could be a cheat sheet, a checklist, a manual, a brochure, your special offers, etc. The list goes on and on. Now, this is FlipGuardian at its simplest level, taking a flat PDF and creating a visually engaging flipbook that's easy to navigate. It actually works really well on mobile as well. There's also a handy little search function built in so you can search the whole of the ebook. Next, let's see how FlipGuardian can supercharge your lead generation with what's called a lead gate or mail gate. Now, the principle for this is simple. People get to check out your content first. You decide how many pages they can read for free, then you prompt them to enter their email if they want to continue and get access to the rest of the content. So as you can see, when I get so far through the book, up pops this lead gate or mail gate where they're going to have to enter their name and email address to get access to the rest of the book. Remember, they've already started reading, they've already engaged, you've been building authority with them, and they've made micro commitments, increasing the odds that they will opt in to access the rest of the book because they're committed. It's simple, it's congruent, and it's highly effective. I should also mention this is based on the same science as Amazon referenced to push out previews across their whole book library. A fairly in-depth study by informs.org revealed that having a preview to a book pushes up sales. And you know, if Amazon adopted it as a standard policy, it's got to work well. And now you can take advantage of the same aspect of human nature for your business. Next, let's look at embedding one of these flipbooks within a post or a page. So here we are on a standard blog post, and if I scroll down, you'll see that we have our flipbook embedded in our page, and again we've got the option of going through the pages in that lovely, engaging, flipping manner that FlipGuardian creates. It is deceptively simple, but remember, it's a form of pattern interrupt that grabs attention, sucks people in, and generates more engagement. In other words, it simply works. Next is my favorite and possibly the most powerful option within FlipGuardian. This is payment gated content. So when someone's gone through the free pages and you decide how many that threshold is, instead of getting people to give us their email to continue, we're going to ask them to pay up right there from within the ebook. Essentially, this means you have no need for a sales page. The reader has already taken a series of micro commitments going through those pages and become engaged in your content. Now all they need to do to continue is just pop in their credit card or confirm the payment with Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. So there's no copywriting or sales page or download page required on your part, and no friction for the buyer. They get what they want and they get it quickly. Now think about how easy this makes it to just get your content out there and let your new FlipGuardian ebooks do the job of generating sales for you. It's literally built in. Now let's take a quick look under the hood so you can see for yourself how easy FlipGuardian is to use. This is the campaign management page within the FlipGuardian admin area, and to keep the demo quick, instead of setting up a new campaign from scratch, we'll simply run through an existing campaign. So let's choose the edit option from the drop-down list here. Your campaign will need a name, which is for your reference within your campaign dashboard, as well as the name for the product or offer, and there's an option for assigning a category if you want. Then you can simply browse to where your PDF is stored on your computer or drag and drop it into this area here. Once that's done, you've got the basic settings for allowing people to download and or share your ebook, and to set how many pages you want to enable for the preview within this particular book. Once you've defined your settings, scroll back up to the top, click on Save to make sure your settings are saved, and then you can click on Next to move on to the campaign type page. First, you have your gate options, including whether it's a lead gate or payment gate, and what happens once the gate is removed, such as whether they get to see the full PDF or whether it's a redirect to another page where the ebook is then embedded. Then there's the integration settings, which vary according to the type of gate gate. As this is a lead gate, it's set up to automatically add the new lead to my autoresponder with a tag. They can also be added to a webinar at the same time, and there are options for Zap hooks and product dyno integration as well. We'll have a quick look at the integration options available in a moment or two. Now down the bottom here, you also have the default email that will be sent out to the new lead as soon as they've unlocked the gate with their email to ensure they've got a copy of the unlocked content. And again, once you've changed any of the settings on this page, simply click on Save and click on Next to move on to the gate styling page. Gate styling is where you can tweak the look and feel of the opt-in form for a lead gate or the payment request on a payment gate. Once you've changed any settings, click on Save and Next to move on to the page settings page. Page settings is for the hosted pages and allows you to define where visitors will be taken from your page if you pause the campaign, as well as the SEO page title and description. You can also change the overall look and feel to make sure it matches your book or site formatting, along with the headline, subhead and footers. On the standard version of FlipGuardian, those are the 4 settings that you're going to have available. Annotations and videos are both available in the Pro version. And basically, annotations allows you to add images or text into your book, which is displayed over the content wherever you need it. And videos allows you to add in videos before the content or before the gate itself. Once you've finished setting up or editing your new campaign, all you need to do is click on Save and Exit, and it will give you the new page information. So this is the hosted for you version of the page, which you can then simply copy and share across all your different social media accounts, and you don't need to do anything more. Your FlipGuardian ebook is out there and available and will start either generating leads for you or generating actual sales. The other options are to grab the code to embed the book on your web page, or download a copy of the HTML page which you can then upload to your website, or to get the export code, and you can create campaigns that you can then share with other people using the export code. We also provide you with 10 ready-made campaigns to get you up and running immediately via export code, so you can import those into your campaign dashboard and be up and running immediately. In fact, this example that I'm using for this demonstration is one of those standard campaigns that we provide for you. If I highlight this and choose right click and open in a new tab, you can have a look at this particular ebook. You can see the traffic secrets guide, and if we click through the pages, I think we actually said it's set to 10 pages, so it may take us a little while. Once we get there, up pops the opt-in form or lead gate to generate those leads for you. Okay, so that's a very quick demonstration of how to use FlipGuardian. Now let's have a quick look at some of the settings that are available as well. So this is the service integrations, where you can see all the different autoresponders that FlipGuardian integrates with currently, and there is a long list of autoresponders. But don't worry, if yours isn't on that list, you can just use Zapier to integrate with the Zap. And down the bottom, we also have the different webinar services that we integrate with as well. And if I scroll back up, you can see that we also integrate with Stripe for payments, which allows you to take things like Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Microsoft Pay, giving you a whole variety of options for the clients to pay for their new ebook. There's also transaction management, where you can look at all the different transactions, and if you need to, issue a refund. There's also full help and support and training, and there are other add-ons available for Pro members as well. That's a very quick run through to give you an overview and just a taste of what FlipGuardian can do for you. And I'm guessing that by now you've already realized how valuable FlipGuardian will be for your business and all the amazing things you can do with it. Now remember, for this limited time special offer, we're not only including that pack of 10 starter campaigns to get you up and running immediately, we're also including unlimited leads and unlimited payments to make sure you can max out your earnings with FlipGuardian. But this is a limited time special offer, so please scroll down the page right now below. But this is a limited time special offer, so scroll down the page below to check the full details and grab your copy today before it's gone.